My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 6 April 2022. Today's our topic name is difference between SQL and MySQL. Let's discuss. MySQL is a relation database management system that allows a user to store and retrieve data from the database. MySQL uses SQL to perform a specific operation on the database. Both MySQL and SQL offer two trendy and differentiated services. Let's understand the difference between MySQL and SQL Server. First one is Developers SQL is developed by Microsoft Corporation and named as Microsoft SQL Server. On the other hand, MySQL is developed by Oracle Corporation. Its name is a combo pack of My and structured query language in SQL. Second one is a availability. MySQL is open source software which is available free to all services. SQL is not open source software. It is not available free of cost. Third one is a platform support. SQL was initially developed for the Windows operating system. Currently, it is used to support by Linux and MacOS. The MySQL works well with Windows, Linux, Solars platforms. Fourth one is a programming. The programming language support MySQL itself a programming language, but the SQL Server support basic programming language such as C++, Python, PHP, Visual Basic, etc. In addition to the basic programming languages, MySQL also supports TCL, etc. Fifth one is a storage engine. MySQL does not require a large amount of storage space for performing different operations in our programming. It supports multiple storage engines. MySQL also supports plug-in storage engines. On the other hand, MySQL supports only a single storage engine. Therefore, programmers need to be updated with the more improved engines. Then second one is a security offer. The security offer in MySQL is a less security server. It is manipulation by other processes or it is own binaries at execution time only. But MySQL provides a highly secureable job. It does not allow database file access or manipulation through other processes or its own binaries. Seventh is a backup process. The backup process MySQL for a data backup, the developer needs to extract it as SQL statements. While backup process, the server blocks the database, which reduces the chance of data corruption when switching from one version of MySQL to another. It means while database backup, the developer can perform other operations on the database. Then editions. There are two editions are available in MySQL. The user can either use MySQL Community Server or MySQL Enterprise Server. Whenever MySQL is available in various specialized editions, the user can select from the Web, Enterprise, Standard or Express edition of SQL. The definition of MySQL is the popular open source database available in the market which is developed by the company MySQL, ab.sql. Structured query language is a programming language that is used for managing our relational database. The second one is a purpose of MySQL used for database. It is used to storing, deleting and updating the data in toolbar form. It is used to query and operation the database. Then third one is a updates MySQL. It gets frequent updation. The current stable version is the which provides 2 times faster speed than the previous version. SQL is a programming language. That's why it does not get any updates. Its commands are same. Then fourth one is a type. It is types of the SQL. SQL language to conduct with the database. It is a query language for managing database. Similarities of MySQL and SQL. Some common functionalities which are explained. Both are related to managing the relation database in our programming. Both have data types. It both provides features of the database users. It both are uses join operation in our database system. That's all about today's topic. Difference between database and difference between MySQL and SQL. I hope understand. Thank you.